Okay, so a lot of things, batch profile or chat, a lot of things are disallowed, but there are something which are allowed also, and that's reason we were able to x-ray for the profile pages which are actually allowed, and we cannot x-ray for the profile pages which are not allowed. So don't really have to get confused in case if you come across some of the websites uh, uh, where you see that you're not able to view the profile or where you're not able to run the x-ray searches. Just try to see that particular website.com/robots.txt, and you'll be able to see which is allowed, which is not allowed. But that is very later point, so don't really have to get confused. So I'll just take a pause over here. Any questions? So that's about Quora. So let's say moving on to some other website, please. Anyone? Yeah.
Yes, you can we use that just now use robot text as a minus robot dot text?
No, that's a different feature altogether of a Google, just to understand which pages or which format of a URL from the particular page is allowed and which is not allowed.
Okay, we can't use as a syntax, right?
No, we can't use as a syntax.
Okay.
Shiv, actually, it is easier to reach on Twitter. So, can we put that search on Twitter also, like the big string that we are?
Yeah, we can search for Twitter also. So
With
Twitter,
the same string.
Which one?
That full stack developer at the one we were putting on Quora.com. This one, last one.
So this is for Quora profiles. The URL pattern of Quora profiles is like this. Similarly, we need to understand what would be the URL pattern of a Twitter profiles, or is there any constant terms in a Twitter profile so that we can x-ray the Twitter site. So every site has a different set of URL pattern. Like for the LinkedIn, we have a URL pattern of in URL linkedin.com/in. Similarly, for Quora, we have a URL pattern of in URL Quora.com/profile. Similarly, for GitHub, we don't have anything. It's just the GitHub. We don't have any particular pattern of a profile. But there is a way how we can get the GitHub profile that we can cover on a later session when it comes to the GitHub direct sourcing and the indirect sourcing. But otherwise, what I'm trying to emphasize over here is just try to understand two things. One is like a URL pattern of individual sites, and the other is like, are there any constant term in that particular individual sites? And just take a use of these two different things, a URL pattern and a constant patterns, and try to come up with the searches. Now, let's say this is Medium. I think for the first time, I'm signing up over here. So as I always mention, whichever the sites gives us an option to sign up using your Gmail or Google account. So your user ID would become, most of the times, whatever the text before @Gmail, that text would become your user ID. So it's pretty much evident. In case if you want to find the email IDs, then just take this user pattern, add Gmail to it, and in most of the cases, it would be true. So now let's say come down to Medium. I'll just go to my own profile. Okay, so I did not write anything. How does medium.com look like? It look like this. Let's say about. Nothing. Medium. Topics, productivity. So let's see. It's one of our candidate who keeps posting about system design interview questions. So median.com/@Narendra Gowda /about. If I just go to his home page, median.com/Narendra Gowda. So here he has linked to multiple system design interview questions. also
So how
YouTube.
did you search his profile?
I know this profile. I frequently share his profile URL with some of my software engineers who are preparing for the interviews. So they just go for this kind of interview questions on a system design, on low level design and high level design, and that's how. So I know basically. So I directly went to his profile and trying to see how the URL pattern of his profile looks like, and additional information he would have shared. So let's say now again we come here. In URL medium.com, we remove a user ID. Let's say Java. So yeah, we have a couple of profiles. We have a couple of institutes. Okay, so we come to individual profiles, just try to understand. Okay, malikarjuna.medium.com. Okay, that is also another pattern of a URL. Search engineer at Shutterstock. So he would have written something related to Java on his Medium page. Sunit Srivastav. Codesun.medium.com. That's another URL pattern of individual profiles. Other than medium.com @ there is a another pattern also, which is just this. So again, we remove this. Just say in URL :* So the reason I'm taking star, because this star resembles a username. So malikarjuna91.medium.com. Similarly, here there was something. So we just removed that username. Instead of username, we have just used star and then medium.com. Let me just see. Okay, so a lot of training institutes. Coming back to individual profile, what we see, 28 followers. So let's say in URL Java Bangalore followers. Okay, so now we are coming to again some of the individual profiles. As we have taken this part as a constant term. Followers as a constant term. Backend engineer BIT Meshra. So yeah, just the combination of in URL medium.com and with the followers, we are getting now individual profiles. So just try to understand these two patterns. One is a URL pattern of any of the website, and also is there a standard pattern in the particular web page? Something like for here, followers was a standard pattern, and URL pattern was something like medium.com /@ or Someone was also mentioning something like this. Any text before medium.com and then their user IDs. So we just take a combination of those things, something like this. Instead of this user ID, we have used nothing, just median.com, in URL median.com, and given a followers. And that's where we started getting a results from the median. So similarly, let's see, any further site that we would like to see. Social media sites, basically. MailChimp, programmable, tagged, WordPress, Ning, Pinterest, Foursquare, MySpace. This all like looks like more of a US based. So let's say GitHub itself. Please ask questions, guys. Or is it too much?
Hi, Shiv.
Yeah.
This is Sushmita. So just now has you showed us regarding the medium.com? Is it a kind of business site
Medium,
or
right?
it's also medium?
It's again kind of a sharing ideas, discussions, and all. Blogs.
Okay.
People write blogs, people write ideas, people discuss about something. As I mentioned, like this is one of the person. Basically, he
Yes.
writes a lot about a system design interview questions, which could be asked in major product companies like Google or Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, and all, like stock exchange system design or API gateways, how to design APIs, or Amazon Web System design of that particular shopping cart, order history, customer reviews, low inventory warning, shopping options, or circuit breaking in microservices, system design for Dropbox, designing a caching systems, QuickBus system. Generally, if you more focus on the competencies of the interviews in these product companies, these are the kind of questions basically most of the product companies ask. Design a book my show, design a Uber system design, designing a Netflix on a high level and a low level system design. So what I generally do, I keep on finding out such kind of a URLs or such kind of a people profile and share with my own candidate so that they get the idea or they get the taste of what kind of a questions they would expect during the time of an interview. And then they take that 1 to 2 weeks of time for the preparation. And that's where they will be in a good situation to crack the interviews. So preparation is more important rather than only going with that particular pedigree or the college. But otherwise, we have some of the best of the sources, but still, even after submitting a profile from the good product company or good premium colleges, still people are getting rejected. The reason, because a lack of preparation or a lack of how to take that interview, how to approach for interview questions. So basically, like I prepare in that way. And
Okay, thank
most
you.
of the system design interview questions. I share.
Okay, Shiv, Shiv, this is Pratima here. Do
Yeah.
you have, see, this medium.com and all, this is the first time I'm hearing actually. So do you have a list of such portals where we can hunt candidates like this medium.com, Quora, yes, we know, but these are very, first time I'm hearing actually. So do you have any list or anything like that?
Good question. I don't have as such list, but I think I should get ready with that list. We'll be able to share soon.
Oh, great. Thanks, Shiv.
Shiv, do I have to have that Quora profile to view these profiles?
Yeah, better. It's always good that you create your own profiles and try to reach out from the same platform.
Okay.
It's always good.
Shiv, how to reach candidates in medium.com?
I don't see any option of reaching candidates in medium.com, but most of the candidates who are writing a lot of stuff about them, they're always available on a YouTube or on other channels. We can definitely reach out to them from those channels. Directly from the Quora, we do not have an option. Other than
All right.
liking, sharing, maybe directly from here, I might just ping a message. Let me know if you're interested or something.
All right.
So I just like some of the post and ask him in case if he's interested in discussing, or I just share my number. I'll ask him to, can you please connect that I wanted to discuss something with you. And once he calls back or once he shares his number, then I'll be able to reach out. So at least there's a mechanism of initiating the communication, though we do not have a mechanism of directly reaching out with the job opportunities, because these are the social media sites. These are not this is not a LinkedIn or any other job portals. This is purely a passive candidates, pure play passive candidates. So that's the process of sourcing a passive candidates. What we are covering is a process of sourcing this passive candidate, but there is also a process of how would you convert that passive candidate to active. So how do we initiate that particular communication? Sometimes we initiate very passively because these people might not be looking out for a job. But yes, we just create that one particular connect, and I introduce myself, they introduce themselves, we get connected, and I'll just leave them one thought with them. Let me know anytime in future if you're looking out for a change. I would be glad to put you into the interview process. And that's it. And then frequently we just go, we like their post, we share their post. So it's like win and win. When we like, share, and follow their posting, they're also encouraged. One fine day, once they turn active, we'll be the first person. They'll reach out to us. Hey, Shiv, I'm looking out for a change. Can you please help me around? And that's where I just directly put them into the process. But otherwise, I'll also try to send an opportunity. Hey, Narendra, after initial 1-2 connects or 3 connects, later on, I'll go back and I'll say, hey, Narendra, I see that you have been posting a lot of about system design and all. And really curious in case if you would like to take up an opportunity, we have something really interesting for you based on your Quora profile. I did check with the hiring manager. We did view entire web page of you, web present of you on a various sites, and we are really impressed. So let us know if you have something, at least if you can discuss what is there for you, what is there for us, for you, what kind of a role we might be thinking of. So that's how we start the initial conversation and then goes on. So definitely everyone knows like how converting this passive to active takes some time, but worth a shot.
Right, true.
So yeah, I'll just take a pause. Any further questions or follow-ups? So that is something.
Yes, Shiva, is there any way? Hello?
Yeah, please.
Yes, Shiva, is there any way to find these kind of untouched site in a Google? Because there are many sites which we are not aware on, but the candidates are available.
That's where related twitter.com.
Okay.
We have all these sites.
Okay.
So we would have never heard about it, but if you see, there are a number of sites.
Like there is one site called About Me, right? And there are many sites like that.
Yeah. Yeah, Flavors, Visify, Visual, Behance. Yeah, Behance also. Behance for designers.
Yeah, Behance was there. Yes, Behance is
Now we go to Behance and try to see, let's say, some of the individual profiles. Do I need to log in? Okay, I just signed up for the first time using my Gmail ID. So now I'll go to my own profile. Manage Adobe Apple ID, Behance profile. Okay, so it's taking my full name, Shivkumar Guram, as it is. It's not taking a text before @ but yeah, that's completely fine. Shivkumar Guram, India, member since. Okay, so now let's go in URL behance.net. Let's say only I'll just search for Bangalore or Bengaluru. I just need one individual profile to understand Ranganath. Okay, fine. Designer, illustrator, Bangalore, India, follow, project views, appreciations, followers, following, founder, creative head. Super. Okay. So number of projects, email IDs as well, contact details. This is a grayed area. Let's take this option. Now we got all the individual profiles. Let me close rest. Okay, from Bangalore as well with the contact details. Only 8 should not be, it should be way too much. Okay, 456 now. Okay, so Behance.net, user ID and maybe moodboards, work, appreciations. Behance is basically for the designers and we have their contact details also. Maybe we can also use member since in case if that is a constant term. Member since, yeah, that's a constant term. Member since, yeah, that's a constant term. If not contact, okay, if you see here, we do not have contact details.
Can we see about me? About me is also a constant term and we put Java.
Here in the about here, you're saying?
No,
About
me.
website you're saying.
Yeah, here above the contact, there is USP and then about me.
Yeah, about
So
me.
here we can put Java.
We can let's see if that is a constant term. Contact details. Member since is in every profile. Contact details, award, clients. About me, definitely we can use it, but is it in the every profile? We need to see. View full resume. Super. That's a Behance resume. So we again come back. Behance.net, Bangalore or Bengaluru. So this is how the resume looking like. Then again, we go back, take a combination of so yeah, we got some of the results and based on those results. So info, in URL info, in URL resume, in URL CV, view full resume. Let me see. Okay, that's still a resume. Nice. Read more. Okay. So about me also and in URL resume also. a combination of Behance.net, Bangalore or Bengaluru. So I'm just taking randomly some of the other profiles. So yeah, each and every profile is a resume, what we're getting. And as I mentioned, Behance is meant for designers. So
Finance, right?
yeah, here it is. So what directly it's asking me to save, but no need to save. I'm not saving it. So for the keywords, additional keywords, if we want to give, we can take a use of those particular keywords. So go check. That's a nice one. And as you mentioned about me, yes, we can also use it, but otherwise, if I'm not taking resume, just Bangalore or Bengaluru. Uh, just take this and constant term member since. So member since we have 2009. So amazing part is now let's say Command C. So we'll run out of time in next 10 minutes. Please re-log in for about at least 10 minutes only. Otherwise, let's see if I can cover in this only. 8 o'clock, we have a new session starting. So yeah, we just take this part, Control V. Okay, member since July 23, 2009. We'll just remove this. We'll keep it 1 star. Now, I would say I would need a people with minimum 2 years of experience. So we are in 2021. So, and maximum 5 years. So let's say 2015 dot 2019 and within the colon. Member since earlier what we had is, let's say, I'll just take this. Okay, in URL Behance. So member since July 23. So this July 23, what we made is just the star so that it could take any date. So we are not focused on date. So that's reason we are mentioning star here. It resembles any date. It may be June, July, August, May, January, February, any date, 21, 22, 23, anything. So we are not bothered about it. Even this comma also. So that's reason fill in the blank star and then 2015 dot 2019. Now let's see what does this search gives us. Okay, so we have 2 results, 2016. Let me vomit. Okay, now we have number of results. Okay, member since 2015. So that means he has got around at least 6 years of experience. So here the use case, when we're using 2015 dot 2019, every profile member has been a member post 2015 and before 2019. Before 2019 means minimum 2 years of experience, and maximum 2015 means maximum 4 to 6 years of experience. So member since 25th March 2016. Okay, member since July 4th, 2016. Member since 2016. Member since 2016. Member since 2016. 2016. Majority of them from 2016. Okay, this is earlier profile only. Okay, so maybe experience also we can pull in that way in Behance. Again, we have for each and every profile, we have their complete contact details along with email IDs and phone numbers. So similarly, again, I just go, let's say that is Behance.net, Command C, related. Behance.net. As you asked me how to identify various sites. Now, similar to Behance, there is something called Rebuild, DeviantArt, Awards, Smashing Magazine, Designer, Corp, and everything. So yeah, we have another 5 minutes left. I'll just take a pause. Please feel free to ask any follow-up questions.
Hi Shiv, this is Sushmita. So as you showed a different kind of website like Behance or About Me or LinkedIn. So particularly in Behance, we can find designer or in LinkedIn all the profiles. Can you please also tell some of the website we can only like we can upload our CV or we can find only recruiters, talent acquisition related to HR profiles? Is there any kind?
For TA, right? For talent acquisition.
Yes.
Profile means LinkedIn is the best for the recruiters. Otherwise, there are a number of forums. So this is one of the forum which I follow, where you have a global gurus and global recruiters. I learned everything from her, everything, whatever I know. I just followed her blogs, spent a lot of time. Whatever I learned for free, everything from her. I did not take any one single paid class, but yes, from her blogs, I learned a lot and lot. She's the only my sourcing guru. So this is the one. Otherwise, recruiting monks based out of India. But I think they take paid trainings, login, video sourcing, tick. So yeah, once I sign in, okay, we have another 2.5 minutes left. So you guys just go and see all the members. And yeah, our group also, you can see only recruiters are there across. This is specifically for recruiters based out of India.
Okay, it's also a kind of LinkedIn.
It's one of the website recent startup. It is in fact maybe a 1 year or something ago they started, and recruiters are coming and signing up over here, and we have a discussions going through. But I think for the trainings and all, those are the paid trainings. If someone has an idea over here, but what
I know
I
Ashfaq Ahmad does a lot of training.
paid ones, right?
Not yeah, 1 or 2 were paid ones, but also free.
Yeah, so as far as I heard, like for Naukri or something, such kind of a things are kind of a paid, but not really sure. Otherwise, you can still find a number of forums like this. So in URL, let's say maybe a profile. So Recruiter, Monster India, Business, Naukri, Dice, Job Radar. There might be hundreds of. I'm not really aware of, but that's how we can just find it out.
For power search, there is Google. Google also has a one course by Daniel Russell. That is free, not cost, but you have to pay for the certification. But for the knowledge, that is a good.
So yeah, we have a less than 1 minute. Maybe in